Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at split toning and making your black and white images look like film images. So this is a black and white image and we're going to be using split toning. Now what split toning does, it affects the highlights, so the brightest parts of your image, and your shadows, your darkest parts of your image. Now you can add a different color to your highlights and to your darkest parts, your shadows. So as you can see, you can choose many different colors and make it look like barf, or you can make it look like red, like hell. So yeah, you can experiment, and you have a few presets up here. Now these are usually the ones that are used, and you can click on neutral as well. Now you can do the same things for shadows, and as you can see it affects it a bit differently. And you can experiment a bit with it. And let's go back to neutral. So this is what is used to create the sepia tone. So this is the basic sepia tone, and then if you use saturation, bring it up, that looks like sepia, the old film that everyone loves or hates. It's a very controversial topic, but let's not get into that. So for this edit, I'm going to be using a bit of a different look. So I'm going to go with the slightly yellowish color, and for the shadows, I'm going to use like a red color. Now this makes it look brown, bronze, gold, something like that. And it gives it a little bit of a different effect than your average sepia. And of course I can move it around here and see what I like better. Something like this is pretty good. So now to make it look like a film image, usually film images have grain, those little dots. You can go to effects, and here you have grain right down here. Now you can choose the amount of grain. You will see here, this makes the image a bit more grainy. As I can zoom in here and show you, a lot of dots and it's less sharp. And if I zoom out, well, I'll have to zoom out now. Okay, so here you go, it's a lot sharper, a lot smoother, and it looks a bit more digital. And if you go back to grain, as you can see, again, lots of dots everywhere, not very sharp, but it has a cool effect. So you can mess around with this, put it down a bit, you can see it's much sharper. Or you can put it back up and make it look a little bit cooler. So I usually go for 100 when I'm trying something that looks like film. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video on how to make an image look something like a film image. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.